Hello friends, welcome you all to the science lecture. Friends, we need air, water, cloth, food, shelter, everything to live. You know that from where we get all these things? Yes, you are right. We get all these things from plants. So plants play a very important role in our life. So we must know about plants. Today we are going to know more about plants. Plants are basically divided into two parts. See, the part which is under the ground, below the ground, this part is called root. You can see the root here. You can see the root here, and the part which is above the ground that you can see easily, that part is called shoot. Fine. Root and shoot. Plant is basically divided into two parts, root and shoot. Now come to the next point, that under the ground only root is there. Above the ground shoot is there, and in that shoot many parts are there. What are that parts? See, you can see the leaf of a plant. You can see the leaf of a plant. You can see the stem. This is the stem of a plant. This is the stem of plant. Two parts, leaf, stem. Then third part, you can see this is flower. Flower of a plant. Fine. Flower of a plant. Now, next part is that after flower, that is fruit. Fruit is also the part of a plant. And all these parts, leaf, fruit, stem, flower, seed, everything made the upper part. That part is called shoot. So plants are divided into two parts. First upper part, that is called shoot, and second lower part, that is under the ground, that is called root. Fine. Now we will know about the root in detail. So root. What is the work of root in a plant? Root remains underground. Root is under the ground, and what is the work? It takes water and nutrients from the soil, and then it transport to whole parts of a plant. Fine. And the second thing is that it helps plant to be at one place. It helps plant to fix in the ground at one place firmly. That is the work of root. Fine. So now types of root. What are the types of root? Two types of roots are there, fibrous roots and tap roots. Fibrous root, the example of fibrous root is grass. You can see here, this is fibrous root. Fine. Means very thin, like roots are there, many roots are there here, very thin roots are there. There is no main root. Fine. So you can see there are many branches of roots, and very thin thread like a structure is there. Now second is tap root. Tap root has one main part. This is main part of tap root, and then many a small fiber like a structure is also there. So this is tap root. You can just see here. Just see carrot. Here you have seen carrot. You have seen beetroot. You have seen this one, radish. Everything is, every plant has tap root. Fine. Tap root has one main part. This is main part. Tap root's main part is there, and many small parts are there. And here in fibrous root, you can see only thin, that thread like a structure, only thin thread like a structure. And in tap root, one main part is there, one thick part is there, and in that thick part many that thread-like structures are also there. So there are two types of roots, fibrous roots and tap roots. What are the work of roots? Root help the plant to fix at one place, and it provides water and nutrients to the plant also. Fine. Now we will know about shoot